Well, they say there's no substitute for experience, and I think that's particularly true when it comes to the area of family law. And when I'm talking about experience, I'm not just talking about professional experience, but I'm also talking about life experience. I've got over 30 years professional experience in family law and several more years than that of life experience, and I think that's an important dimension and dynamic I bring to my relationships with my clients and how I'm able to represent them. Several years ago, a woman came to me. Her husband had recently left her for somebody else, but she clearly did not have any idea what she really wanted to do. She was still in considerable emotional turmoil, even though obviously the events had been going on for some time, and really didn't know what she wanted. Did she really want her marriage over? Did she want to fight for her marriage? Did she just want to move on at this point? These are really highly personal decisions, and there's no right or wrong answer. What works for someone may not work for somebody else. She was never going to have a better time to get things resolved on favorable terms for her than right now that her husband was in the what I call the puppy dogs, rainbows, and sprinkles phase of his relationship. That things were new, he had finally left, but something he probably planned to do for some time, and that he might well be willing to walk away from other things in order to be able to move on with his life. It maybe was not what she wanted to hear at that moment, but I thought it was what she had to hear. And she said that she had decided that she did want to move on. She wanted to try to reach a financial settlement that was favorable to her. So we put something together, we presented it to her husband, and in this case, it doesn't always work out this way, he did make significant compromises. He did walk away from things he might have gotten otherwise, and she was able to get her custody issues resolved and all of her financial issues resolved very quickly and on very favorable terms. It really takes an attorney with, again, both professional and life experience to be able to advise clients in a way that allows them to reach those results.